Okay, hi, welcome. So today is all about visualization and how it can help you manifest in the fifth dimension, the biggest visualization traps to avoid, and the biggest thing you need to know about visualizing to manifest. So stay tuned. We have Valerie with us today, and she is in the hot seat. So enjoy. When you visualize your manifestation, it is like putting an order into the universe, and it can look a little like this. So here's Valerie pulling up to her favorite burger place. She pulls up to the drive-through window, she gets into the intercom, and she orders her favorite cheeseburgers and fries. And when she pulls up to the window and picks up her order, she is so excited. Look at her. She opens her burger and takes that first big, beautiful bite. And then guess what? Total disappointment. Where's the pickles? Where's the sauce? The bacon, the lettuce, the tomato. What? No ketchup for the fries? Like, come on. What happened? She placed her order. Well, I feel bad for Valerie because this happens to so many of the people we work with. So if you can relate to this story, like and subscribe. So here's a simple analogy to help you understand the fifth dimension by using Valerie's drive-through window example. When you order from the order box, or that little box outside the restaurant, that is the same as your visualization. So what you put into that box is the same thing that the universe or the burger joint will make for you. So what you put in is what you get out. And when you get to the order window, that is you receiving your manifestation. But this can seriously happen to so many people when they are manifesting and visualizing. They don't always get what they think they're getting. The universe will not turn its back on you when you are manifesting. It is going to give you exactly what you order, which brings us to the biggest pitfall of visualization. Let's pick on poor Valerie again. So here she is. She's having a rough day here at Amria Life. But if she took our course, Manifesting Beyond the Ordinary, and we were her manifestation coaches, she wouldn't be having these problems. So here we go. Valerie just left her partner. She was sick and tired of being in unhealthy relationships where she was taken advantage of, all her money being spent, negative thoughts, feelings. She just wasn't supportive. He was abusive, and it just wasn't a very good, fulfilling partner for her. And she had quite a record of this. So she was going to turn it around and manifest the perfect partner of her dreams. So she goes through the process. She wants him to have his own job, his own money, financially secure, kind, considerate, well-mannered, and basically a very gentlemanlike man. So a little time goes by, her manifestations come true, she meets him, and oh my gosh, she is in love. She just can't believe it. She has finally met the man of her dreams. But Valerie forgot one important major detail in her visualization. Valerie forgot to visualize him being single. Imagine if you were Valerie, how shitty would you feel? Pretty awful, right? So the universe did give Valerie exactly what she visualized and what she manifested. And her manifestations did come true. She was just not clear enough, and she took that one piece of information in her visualization for granted. So if this has happened to any of you, give us a yes in the comments if you can relate. Poor Valerie. There's also that time Valerie needed to manifest a car. So she kind of did the same thing. She wanted a white SUV. She wanted it certain kilometers. She wanted it in her price range. And poor Valerie could not believe her luck in finding the car of her dreams. She was so excited. It was everything she had asked for. She bought the car. A month later, broke down. $3,000 worth of repairs. And why is that? Because once again, Valerie was not clear in her visualization. She did not include a car that was mechanically sound. So take nothing for granted when you do your visualizing for the universe to manifest. There's no point in manifesting eggs if they are rotten. So what is the biggest pitfall of visualization when you're using it to manifest? Clarity. One of the biggest things you can do to help yourself in your visualizations is write it out. Get clear. Don't leave out any detail. Write it out like your story and your script. Practice it in your mind. How does this look? What am I forgetting? Do those simple things before you visualize it when you're manifesting. Okay, so on to the good stuff. How this all ties into 5D, the fifth dimension. When you are visualizing your manifestations, you're projecting that into the fifth dimension. And visualization is one of the many ways we communicate with the universe. When you are connected to the fifth dimension, you are more heart-centered. You have dropped most, if not all, of your negative thoughts and feelings that don't serve you. You are less wrapped up in fear and more focused on love and experience less judgment. For most people, we are not always in the fifth dimension. It's a place we aspire to be and hold characteristics that we would love to have in our life on a regular basis. But when we naturally relax and visualize our manifestations, it does something pretty amazing. It raises our vibration naturally and connects us to that fifth dimension. And the fifth dimension is where all the manifestations kind of happen and where you need to connect in order to get them. So if you think about like Costco or Amazon, so if you think about the fifth dimension as a giant order center for our manifestations, similar to like what we would think of like Amazon, but obviously on a much healthier, happier, kinder level, how we place that order and connect to that order center is through visualizations. So if you would like to learn how, we give you those tools in our course, Manifesting Beyond the Ordinary. So if you would like to learn more, please go into the description and the link is there.